In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Janitor AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll be prepared for the final confirmation, so there are no surprises. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Janitor AI and look for the official website in the results. Click through to open the site. This is the quickest way to get to the right place, especially if you don't have the URL bookmarked. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so you can access your profile options. Once you're on the Janitor AI site, look to the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile picture or a profile icon there. Click it to open your account menu. This menu is where you can reach your personal settings and make changes tied to your account. From that menu, choose Settings. This will take you to a page where your account preferences are organized into sections. Take a moment to let the page load completely so all tabs and buttons are visible. Next, find and select the Security section within Settings. This is the area where options related to account safety and access live, and it's also where you'll find the control for permanently removing your account. Inside the Security section, look for the Delete Account option. It may appear as a clearly labeled button and can stand out with a warning color to draw attention to its importance. Click it when you're ready to proceed. At this point, the site usually presents a clear reminder about what this action means. Deleting your account is a permanent action and cannot be undone. That means once you confirm, you won't be able to recover your account or anything associated with it. Read the warning carefully to ensure you're certain. When you're absolutely sure you want to move forward, click the final delete or confirm button to complete the process. After you confirm, the site will process your request. You may be signed out immediately or see a confirmation message indicating the deletion has gone through. If the page doesn't change right away, a quick refresh can help reflect the update. That's all there is to it. Open Google, visit the Janitor AI website, access your profile in the top right corner, go into Settings, switch to the Security tab, choose Delete Account, acknowledge the permanence, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and take care as you finalize your decision.